Hey guys, Chef Sal here. Classic Caesar salad. It's only salad, but it's classic Caesar salad. You're not gonna buy it in a jar and shake it and then blah, blah, blah. You're not gonna do any of that. You're gonna make it from scratch. This is gonna be a fast one. Here's all the ingredients. Right now it looks like a big mishmash of nothing. I have some anchovies. You get them in a little can, they're packed in olive oil. Here's what you're gonna do with the anchovies. We're gonna get right into this, okay? Knife. I'm gonna cut these anchovies. Okay, next step is kind of an important step. We're gonna be mashing it up. Remember, you're not buying this in the tube. I'm going to transfer these roughly chopped anchovies to this cutting board. Yeah, kosher salt. It's a very coarse salt, as you know. Just a little sprinkle over it. It's, you know, these things are really salty, these anchovies, so don't get crazy. But the reason why I'm doing it is it has an abrasive quality. It's an abrasive quality. Now I can mash it. You know, I can mash it into a paste. All right, now to this, if you have the chopped garlic in a jar, you could use that. If you want to chop your own garlic, that's fine. So the paste is here. It has arrived. It's pasty and delicious looking. Regular bowl, medium-sized bowl. I have told you in previous broadcasts that you have to get these stainless steel mixing bowls. I have 2 egg yolks. That's right, I have separated the eggs. Now we have the paste that I made, and we have the 2 egg yolks. And I'm just gonna add stuff. 3/4 of a teaspoon of, they ask for Dijon mustard, a lot of these fancy chefs. I like the grainy mustard, so you can use any mustard you want. Don't get all hung up. I got my half a lemon here. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice going in. We're moving along pretty well. I have a 1/4 cup of, this is grated Parmesan cheese. And now we're just gonna basically mix this all together. I'm whisking and whisking and whisking and whisking and going and going and going and going and going and going. This is my little concoction here. This is Worcestershire sauce. Just, an 1/8 of a teaspoon. Just enough to color it. All right, here's not really the hard part. I guess you call it the interesting part. You can also do this in a food processor. This is, I don't know, what do we got here? It's a 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of your favorite olive oil. This happens to be avocado oil. That's what we use in our home. See what I'm doing? I'm drizzling. I'm just drizzling. All right, this has come out perfect. I must say, it has come out perfect. Romaine lettuce, see? This amount of dressing, 3 of these. Okay? Watch what we do here, very simple. Cut off the end, stem, whatever you want to call it. And I like to go, about 1 inch thick. Get a nice bowl. And now when you throw it in the bowl, you want to separate everything. So kind of just roll it in your hands here. See? Just roll it in your hands. All right, so I'm only going to, as I said, this is just for, like 2 people, see? That's for like 2 people. So I'm going to use 1/3 of this, because I said that, this whole batch here can handle 3 of these. You got that? That's easy, right? Yeah. I have a spatula, and I'm going to pour a good amount. And this is pretty much it. It's pretty easy, right? And this is pretty much it. So I'm going to eat this. Classic Caesar salad. I'm going to plate this and eat it myself. The wife will be home later. Maybe she'll have some too. Listen, this is Chef Sal. See you next time.